Hey guys, this is Abe Jacobs here, and I'm back with another video today on arbitrage trading. Arbitrage trading, like we know, is a business model in which you buy low from one exchange and you sell high at another exchange. But for today, I won't be giving you guys a direct arbitrage opportunity, and in fact, this video is more related to members of my WhatsApp group because I told them I'll be dropping this video for them in order to explain some of the things that I know concerning crypto arbitrage trading, especially triangular arbitrage trading. Now, if you guys can look at this, is the WhatsApp business group. Steadily we are improving, we are getting more members, and I'm quite happy with the development because we've gotten an influx of members and it's all good. I'm really appreciating that. Thank you guys so much, and I hope I can give you guys the best opportunity that you guys can use to scale up your financial levels. So if you guys can see, this is a signal because I tend to drop signals, arbitrage signals, coin arbitrage signals into the group. I tell them where to buy and I tell them where to sell. So I also drop arbitrage signals as well. Cross exchange arbitrages and triangular arbitrages, I drop their signals, everything. Now, if you guys can look at this, I dropped a particular coin. The signal, it is a triangular arbitrage coin signal. The name of the coin is called Kudos USD, and I also listed out some things. The model, which is triangular, you guys should understand what that is. It means that okay, fine, we are buying in just one exchange and we are also selling there. Just one exchange but different markets. The exchange is KuCoin, the coin is Kudos USDT, the base is USDT, the intermediary is Kudos, the target is BTC. Now, I'm going to be explaining the base, what the base mean, the intermediary, and the what, and the target. I'm going to be explaining all that in the video so that the next time I drop this signal, instead of you guys to get confused as to what you should do, after you watch this video, you will know what to do. And I'm also going to tell you guys how I get coins or how I spot coins for triangular arbitrage trading. Now let's move on to our platform, KuCoin. So here we are on KuCoin, and as you guys know, KuCoin is one of the top 10 cryptocurrency giants, and we also use it to make our transactions. You guys also know you can do your P2P on KuCoin, you can become a KuCoin merchant, do your spot trading, do your futures trading. Just like Binance, KuCoin is a go-to cryptocurrency exchange. Now I'm going to start first with the things I use to spot this coin, and in reality it is a no-brainer. It is a no-brainer in reality because what I use for myself personally is just things that are very, very simple. It's things that you can do by yourself without you needing to like research greatly or do anything much. So the first method I use to spot all this coin is DYOR, which is what, do your own research. If you're in the crypto world, you should understand what that term means. DYOR, do your own research. So I make my own research, I look at these coins, I get to know more about them, the information, okay, fine. I get to know how they are doing in different markets, because if you are trading triangular arbitrage, you need to know that there are at least 5 markets that act as a backbone for triangular arbitrage trading. The first one is the BTC market, the second one is the ETH market, the third one is the USDT market, the fourth one is the USDC market, and the last one is the BNB market. So these 5 markets are the major markets that I look at most whenever I want to do anything relating to triangular arbitrage. And my favorite is always the BTC. The BTC is always my favorite. I go to the BTC market, I look at the prices in the BTC market, I look at the coins in relation to one another, then I take the coins, make my research on them one after the other. Then at the end of the day, I get to compare their prices in the BTC market to the USDT market or the ETH market. So I try to do that over and over. It is very time consuming and it's very intensive, but I really like doing it because I'm someone that, okay, fine, I really like curiosity and gathering knowledge. So I take my time to research on those coins, comparing them one after the other, and I make my calculations as well. Okay, fine, is it going to be profitable? What's the percentage? What's the profit potential? I do my calculations and I get what? I get my what? I get my conclusions. If it is profitable, I do not go with it, I do not list it. If it is not profitable, then I list the coin. So that's just the simple thing I use. One, DYOR, I do my own research. That is all I do. And the second method that I use to spot all these coins is by making use of an app. I make use of an app. The app is actually very good and it also aids me in discovering arbitrage opportunities. You guys can also make use of the apps. There are apps like the Coin Market Cap. You can use the CoinGecko, CoinGap. You can use all those apps and they can present to you arbitrage opportunities as well. So yes, so I make use of DYOR, in which I do my own research, or I do I make use of apps that helps me to filter out arbitrage opportunity in between exchanges and within exchanges. The third method I use is also I get information from external sources. Let's say, okay, fine, I get a fellow arbitrage trader and he tells me of a particular coin. I also can go out and research about this coin, because it's not like, to be honest, it's not like I actually don't know everything. So I also get to see. I also have like a couple of friends or other traders that I also talk to once in a while, and we update each other about these coins, and we get to know more about it within ourselves. So spotting coins for arbitrage trading isn't really a no-brainer, isn't really something you have to do. You have to stress yourself about. But when you spot a coin for arbitrage trading, the first thing you have to do is to run a simulation. You have to run a simulation. So if you are running a simulation, you have to do what? You have to know what your base coin, you have to know what your intermediary coin, and you have to know your target coin. Your base coin, your intermediary coin, and your target coin. And once you've gotten those three, then you have to do what? You have to run a simulation. It's not like you're just going to get there and you are just buying and selling just like that. Once you get the signal, the next thing is for you to go and buy or sell. Even if I drop the signal, okay, fine, I've seen this coin, it has an arbitrage opportunity. The moment I drop that signal, and compared to the time you are seeing the signal, the differences or the gaps or the imbalances may have closed. It may have closed. So even if I drop a signal or I drop a particular coin for arbitrage, you must make sure that you run the simulation first. You must run the simulation first to know whether it is still profitable, to know whether there are still gaps or there are still inefficiencies in between. If you are a forex trader, if you are trading smart money concept on forex, or you are trading ICT, you should know what we call imbalances, inefficiencies. So it's those inefficiencies that create the price gap that we as arbitrage trader we want to take advantage of and make our profits. That's just all what arbitrage is. It is not a really advanced business strategy. It is not. It's just for you to buy low at one place and sell high at another place, as far as there's a price difference and you can run a simulation to see that you make profit. So make sure you run your simulation, get your base coin, your intermediary coin, and your target coin. Now after you've run your simulation and the coin is still profitable, go ahead with it, transact, make your money, get out of the market. You can do it repeatedly, and that's one thing that I like about arbitrage trading. It is unlimited in the same platform. You don't have to keep on moving stuff over and over, waiting for the funds to get to one exchange before you do anything. No, it will all be processed instantly the moment your order is being concluded. Now, before I talk about the base, the intermediary, and the target coin, I would also like to talk about the market order and the limit order, because That is also very important in arbitrage trading, especially triangular arbitrage trading. Now, market order essentially is when you want to execute an order. I want to buy or sell at the price the market is selling. You want to buy or sell at the price. Okay, let's say I am a storekeeper. I'm selling a pair of books, and currently the books are going for $50. And you as the customer, you came to me, okay, fine, I want to get these books and I want to buy it now at the current price you are selling it. So which means that I, as the salesperson, I will give you the book for what? For $50 instantly. But if you come to me that, okay, fine, $50 is too high, I think I'm going to come and buy it later, maybe it's around like $40 or $30. That is the limit order. The market order, you are buying at the point where the price is currently. But limit order, you are saying, okay, fine, this is the point I want to buy, and this is the point I want to sell. And everything at the end of the day will be processed in the what? In the order book of the market. The order book is this thing you see beside your what? Beside your buy and sell. Upwards of the order book, you have those selling. Downwards, you have those buying. And as such, as crypto traders, we do what? We buy low and sell high. That is where the profit comes in. We buy low and sell high. Now, if you are selling a market order, it will be executed instantly at the what? The current market price. But the aspect there is that prices tend to fluctuate once in a while. So it is highly likely that you may not get the price you need for what you want. That's just the thing there. But if you are selling at limit order, you'll be getting what? You'll be getting at the best price, because that is the price you wanted. So if you are losing limit order for arbitrage trading, you can tend to wait once in a while for your orders to be processed. You can tend to wait what? Once in a while for your orders to be processed. But if you are using market order, it will be executed instantly. But all this depends on the volatility of the coin. There are some coins that they fluctuate so fast, so very fast, that if you make a mistake or even if you are a step late, it can result to losses for you. So you also have to consider the volatility of the market. Is it a volatile asset? Is it not a volatile asset? So you have to gather that as well. Look at the way the prices is moving. Look at the whole market. Look at the history. Look at everything. So all these things are what you need to consider before you just jump into a coin for arbitrage trading or whatever trading you want to do. There are some assets that they have low momentum, low volatility. There's not much liquidity, not much money is being exchanged from buyers and sellers. And there are some that they move very fast. They move very fast. They are being traded consistently by what? By the buy sides and sell sides of the market. So you also have to consider what? The volatility of your what? Of your limit order, so that when the order is going to reach you, when you are in queue, when it's going to reach you, it will not what? It will not result to loss at the end of the day. Though this triangular arbitrage trading, a little bit of spot trading is also involved, because you still have to what? To make sure price will get to the what? To the point where you want it. So it is as what? It is as simple as that. It is not really a what? It is not really a hard thing. It is a no-brainer. Now that's for the market order and the limit order. Now let me talk about the base coin and the what? The base coin, the intermediary coin, and the what? And the target coin. Now, like I said in the beginning of the video, this is for those who are in my WhatsApp business group, because I'll be dropping signals on triangular arbitrage, and not just triangular arbitrage, any coin arbitrage that I discover it is profitable, I'll be dropping the signals. Now, in the particular signals for those who are in my group, and if you are not in my group, the link is in the description. You can join my group, all well and good. Make money, let's have fun together. Now, in the signal group, if you see me right, because I'm going to list it out: the coin, the base, the intermediary, and the USDT. Normally, I'm supposed to have this class in the group, but I don't think we are that uniformed yet to start having classes. So I'm just gonna keep saying everything on YouTube for now, so that you guys can also like get to understand it. Now, in that particular signal group, I dropped a signal for Kudos USDT. It is a coin on KuCoin, and we want to use it for arbitrage trading. So for now, we are just going to run a simulation so that you guys can see what it is. Now, the base coin is the what? It is the initial coin. It is the initial coin you have to get first. That base coin is the first coin you have to get first. So it is the what? It is the inception of the process. It is the inception of the what? Of the cycle. Because to me, triangular arbitrage trading to me is just like we are moving in circles. For me, it's just like a circle, and another name I have for it is cycle trading, because that's what I believe it is. We keep moving in circle, moving from one asset to the another asset in circles, all in the same words, all in the same exchange. So the start of the cycle, which is the first coin you have to get to start your triangular arbitrage process, is the base coin. The first coin you have to get is the what? In the base coin. Now, in that particular video, I said the base coin is what? USDT. So which means that we need to get USDT first. We need to do what? We need to get USDT first. Now, that's the base coin. The intermediary coin is the coin that acts as a channel, like a middleman between what? The different markets within the same what? Within the same exchange. Like I begin the video, I told you guys of 5 major markets that are the backbone of triangular arbitrage trading in any what? In any exchange. Now, the coin you want to get, the coin which is the intermediary, it is the what? It is the channel, the bridge between the what? Between the first market and the other markets. So we need to get that intermediary coin so that it will give us access to the what? To both markets. So now your base coin is the USDT. That's the coin you need to get to kickstart the whole process. Your intermediary coin is the coin you will now use your what? You will use your base coin to get. The intermediary coin is the coin you will use your base coin to get. Now, our intermediary in that signal is Kudos. So which means that what? We'll be using USDT to buy what? To buy Kudos. And now finally the target coin. The target coin is our what? It is our profit coin. That is the coin we want to what? Get our profits from. So base coin to kickstart the process, intermediary coin, which is the what? The channel between both markets, and the target coin, which is our what? That's where we get our profits. So we use the base coin to what? To buy the intermediary coin, and we use the intermediary coin to get what? To get the target coin. And at the end of the day, we get what? Our profit. If our target coin is not in USDT, then all we have to do is just swap it to what? Swap it to USDT, or use it or sell it to get what? To get USDT. So I hope you guys are understanding what I'm saying. Now for this particular video, I'm going to run the simulation quick. It's not a live trade. Very soon I'll start getting into live trades. But for the sake of this video, let's just run the simulation. Now the base coin is USDT. And you guys know me, I always like to do arbitrage trading with as low as 50 USDT, because I know it's not all of us that have used funds. So I always trying to find arbitrage opportunities that we can do for as low as, even if it's 50 to like 20 USDT. Now for this particular arbitrage trading, let's say we are using what? We are using 50 USDT. Mind you, the last time I tried this, it was very, very profitable. But let's see if we are still going to get the same what? The same result. Now, let's say we are getting 50 USDT. We'll be left with what? 202,218.3582 what? 0.358 Kudos. So we've used our base coin USDT to get our intermediary coin, which is Kudos. Now copy this word of Kudos. Oh, so sad. I think the profit margin has been closed, because the last time I did this, it was around $51.18. Yeah, it was profitable before, but I guess right now the gap has been closed, the imbalances has been closed. So I think the signal right now is no longer what it's no longer applicable for now. But however, you guys can still go on to check and keep checking about the coin to see if the imbalance has been resetted. Now that's just all for it. Like I said, the last time I did it before, it was profitable, but right now it's no longer what's profitable. So you have to act fast and make money off it first and as fast as possible. So before you do all your triangular arbitrage trading, always make sure you run a simulation first. Always run simulations first to see if it's going to be still what profitable. This one was profitable before, but it's no longer profitable again. So we leave it and we move to another coin, or we move to another exchange, which one we get to find the opportunity. But at the very least, I hope you guys are able to understand what the meaning of the base coin, the intermediary coin, and the target coin is. The base coin is the first coin you need to get to start the process. The intermediary coin is the coin that channels between both markets, and the target coin is where we make our profits. So that's about it, guys. I hope you guys have understood what I wanted to say, and you guys have really gotten my explanations. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and join our WhatsApp business group in the link in the description below. Thank you, guys. Take care.